Hey there, future money movers. Welcome to this quick guide on how to transfer BioLife money to a bank in 2025. If you've earned some cash through BioLife's plasma donation rewards and you're ready to get it into your bank account, you're in the right spot. By 2025, the process has gotten even smoother with updated security features and faster transfers, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything you need. You'll need a verified BioLife account, your bank account details handy, and a stable internet connection. Start by logging into the BioLife app or website using your credentials. If you haven't updated your app to the 2025 version, do that now. It's got some cool new features like biometric login for extra security. Once you're logged in, head over to the Wallet or Rewards section. Look for the Transfer to Bank option. It's usually right at the top for easy access. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to select your bank from a list of partnered institutions. BioLife now integrates with most major banks in 2025, so it should be straightforward. Next, enter your bank account details carefully. This includes your account number, routing number, and any additional verification codes your bank might require. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Remember, accuracy is key to prevent any hiccups. After that, you'll see a summary of the transfer amount. BioLife might charge a small fee for instant transfers, so keep an eye on that and choose the option that works best for you. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. In 2025, most transfers process within 24 hours, thanks to advanced blockchain tech. While you wait, keep an eye on your BioLife dashboard for status updates. A few quick tips. Always use a secure network for these transactions. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already, and if you run into any issues, BioLife's 24/7 chat support is top-notch. That's it for this guide. You've now got the knowledge to transfer your BioLife earnings hassle-free. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you in the next video.